Yo, writing is a very big business. I know a friend of mine who makes $500 for 500 words. Can you believe it? You want those dollars, you want those shillings. Now I'm going to show you 5 tools that will help you be an effective writer. Write like a pro from today. Now let's begin. Number one, we have BuzzSumo. You use it to research for content that you're going to write about. Then where are you going to write this content? You're going to use Google Docs, number two, to write your content. All you need to do is have an email address to access Google Doc. You can even download an app for your phone. The next thing is Quillbot. You use Quillbot for AI paraphrasing. I mean, maybe you have taken an article from somewhere and you want to paraphrase it in your own words. Quillbot will help you to paraphrase it using an AI component in it. Now, after paraphrasing your words, you'll need number four, Grammarly. Grammarly is good for checking for spelling mistakes, grammar mistakes, and contextual mistakes. It can also rearrange your sentence to look professional. It also has a plagiarism checker that you can use. All you need to do is create an email address and create an account. The next tool, number five, of the last tool, you need to write good headlines. You'll need course schedule to write good headlines. All you need to do is create an account, then you just try different kind of headlines and it will give you a better headline, tell you the number of headlines that is needed and many other aspects. Go to the internet, use these tools, and you'll be writing like a pro today. You get those dollars. Start today, start now. Ooh.